Hi dolls, welcome back to Lisanna Does Things. If you're new here, welcome. Definitely click the subscribe button down below to join the doll collection. But if you're a returning doll, kisses. Today we'll be reviewing the Touch Trifold XL Impression Vanity Mirror. This one is a little bit different because this opens up, so different to the other reviews that I've posted on my channel. This is the box that it comes in. This originally goes for $89 online. But I got this at TJ Maxx for, I think, oh my gosh, now I'm like forgetting the price, for $29.99. So huge savings, really big savings, and big deals, right? So this is pretty straightforward. This features soft touch sensor dimmer like we've seen in most of their makeup mirrors. There's a long-lasting daylight LED. This swivels and tilts. It has a USB and cordless operation option and the classic diamond warranty that's offered with all of Impressions Vanity mirrors. This definitely does come in a lot of different colors, so just looking at the website right now from my laptop, there is classic white, pro black, champagne gold, rose gold, shimmer silver, and white marble. So we're going to take a look at this gold one. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Oh, it kind of has like a pinkish color to it too. Alright. So just by unboxing it, we have our mirror here, the base where it stands, similar to the Touch that we reviewed. This also has a carry-all storage, and it looks really nice. It's very lightweight. This isn't so lightweight. Let's see. It brings the instructions and the micro USB charger. So now this is in place. Let's open it up and see what this is all about. Oh, how cute. This is pretty good quality. So each mirror has the same magnifying level of strength, so one isn't like magnified more than the other. They're all pretty much the same. This does feature some LED lights on the inside, so we don't have any bulbs or anything like that. Let's go ahead and plug this bad boy in just to make sure that it turns on. I can't find the cord and I don't know where it is. Okay, it was on the floor. Oops. The champagne one looks gold on the box, but it's more of like a soft pink champagne color. Okay, it's like super hard to already like try and put this micro USB in here. Come on, baby. I can't put it in. Why is it not fit? Is it in? No, I have it the right way. I really don't want to break a nail. I already broke a nail opening one of the other mirrors for the other review, and I'm not doing it today. Okay, let's try this. Wow. Okay, I think this is in. Let's see. I'm just gonna plug it into my USB port on my vanity mirror. Is it on? Okay. I guess it doesn't plug in all the way. Part of the USB sticks out. I don't get it. All right, so let's see. Okay, so these lights are dimmable. That's the lowest setting. Now we're going to go to the highest setting, which is right here. Light-wise, I feel like there's zero difference. This doesn't really do anything for me. Let me go ahead and turn off these lights on my actual vanity to see what's going on. Yeah, this is on the highest setting, and I feel like I couldn't do my makeup. Right now I just have my ring light on and my very, very dim room light. And this is pretty dark for a vanity mirror with this many LED lights. That doesn't make me too happy. In order for me to see all the angles of my face, I kind of have to go in a little bit closer. So I don't know, I'm just not a big fan of it so far. If I close it, the lights are still on. And it's, for someone with like long nails, this is kind of hard to open. I have to like, there's no like dip or dent on the inside where I can put my fingernail in. We do have a little spot right here. We have a little spot right here to kind of open it, but I mean, I would have to like dig my nails in to find it, and even then I can't even pull it open. So not so good so far. So let's turn this back on. As far as mirror space, this is great. It does open up and extend a little bit more than 180, so like it does go a little bit back. I'm trying to find really good things to say about this, but I just can't. Yeah, and I noticed another thing. Every time I close it, it turns on by itself, so I don't know what's up with that. Okay, it's done it a couple times in the video. I don't know if you can tell, but I just don't see the sense of having these extra mirrors to kind of like see the sides of your face, because you kind of have to go into the mirror just to kind of like see. But even then, like, you're seeing the same thing as if you were to look in the front mirror and just turn your face. So there's not much extra stuff going on. I don't know if that makes sense, but I don't think this is the mirror for me. And it does swivel, so okay, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. That was bad. But it does swivel. This one is a little bit harder. Can you hear that? Okay, yeah, this is not it. Oh, but it just goes side to side. But it's very like, it's not the best material. So like, as I'm like swiveling this, you can kind of see that this right here swivels with it. It might be hard to see on video, but it's just kind of cool. So you can kind of do your makeup the long way too. That's pretty interesting. Kind of move it up. Can you move it up? You should be able to. Oh, this is a little bit harder. I feel like I'm gonna break it, so I'm just not gonna keep doing that. It's easier to swivel than it is to move back and forth. Oop. Okay, yeah. There is something at the bottom. They are these little foam pads to kind of keep it in place so it doesn't do that, but for whatever reason it just loses its balance and then it comes off. It is really pretty though. For someone who's like trying to have like a centerpiece in their room, who wants to like show off a little bit, I think this is like the perfect thing to kind of have someone walk in and be like, ooh, what's that? Like, this is it. But as far as distortion, the mirror is great. There's no distortion whatsoever. There's no scratches on it. It just is a little bit dirty, but that's fine. I just didn't get a chance to clean it with a rag when I opened it up. It's easy to close, but not as easy to open if you have long nails. People with short nails, this one's for you. It has a battery option, so you can put in 4 batteries just to make sure that it is portable. As far as weight, it's pretty lightweight. Not too heavy, but I wouldn't market it as a lightweight mirror because it's not lightweight. So here we are. I can't justify the price of this mirror for what it does. I don't think it's worth $89, and even when I got it for $29.99, I think you can find a dupe just as good. Yeah, this one's not for me. I wish I could say better things about it, but I just can't. I don't know. I want to love it. I think it's cute. I think it is cute for what it does, like, you know, trifold. But other than that, like, there's no other tones. Like, it just turns on and off, and then it dims. No other features for $89. So, I'm sorry, Impressions Vanity, but this one's just not a win. So, definitely tell me in the comments section if you were thinking about buying this, or already got one, and just wanted to look here for a review. What are your thoughts on this mirror? Would you get it? Would you not get it? I saw a lot of good online reviews. So maybe this just isn't the mirror type for me. Clearly, I like modern looking ones like the Touch, or the last mirror that we reviewed, the Hollywood XL Tritone. That one was super cute, but this one just isn't for me. For what it's worth, for what it does, it just doesn't match up. Go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and join the dog collection if you haven't already done so. If you have, kisses, I love you. Go ahead and keep watching one of my other videos here, and we'll keep having fun.